Hi all, and welcome to Chapter 9. We're going to discuss business and employee expenses as well as some deferred compensation. The first section in this chapter deals with the classification and limitation of employee expenses and self-employed taxpayers. So you have to figure out which of these expenses are deductible and which are not. The next part of the chapter talks about the proper deductibility of travel expenses, because not all travel is deductible all the time. You'll see if somebody is traveling partially for work and partially for pleasure, there are some differences there. The next part of the chapter deals with the proper deductibility of the 50% for meals and entertainment. That there are going to be some slight differences between the old 2017 tax law and the new 2018 tax law, mostly because you'll see that business meals will still be deductible, but business entertainment is no longer. We'll also talk about reimbursed employee expenses and their deductibility and how the reimbursements work. Identify moving expenses and being able to figure out the deduction. However, under the new tax act in 2018, for the individuals who get reimbursed for moving expenses will no longer be deductible at all. There's some discussion in this chapter about home office. There's always been quite a bit of controversy over home office expenses. There were some significant cases many years ago about doctors setting up home offices. So it's always been a tricky area. Finally, the chapter will talk about deferred compensation a little bit and how the deductibility of that works. As always, there will be a little bit about tax planning near the end of the chapter and some compliance issues on the forms to use. If you do have questions, be sure to either post them in the discussion board in Blackboard or I am available for my Wednesday evening phone call where I can be available. Thanks very much. Have a great week.